Daily use English sentences that can be useful for an English learning.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept well, thanks for asking.
What's the plan for today? Can you pass the salt, please?
Do you have any work today? How was your weekend? Do you want to grab lunch later?
It was great. I went hiking. Sure, what time are you thinking?
I need to check my calendar first.
Can you help me with this?
I'll need more details about the project.
Is it okay if I sit here?
Yes, please make yourself comfortable.
How do you get to work?
I usually drive, but sometimes I take the train.
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 10 a.m.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It's around the corner, next to the bakery.
Do you like this restaurant?
Yes, the food is delicious.
Could you recommend a good book?
I'd suggest To Kill a Mockingbird.
How's your new job going?
It's going well, thank you.
Have you finished the report?
Not yet, I'm working on it now.
Can I help with anything?
No, I've got it covered, thanks.
What time does the store close?
It closes at 8 p.m.
Do you need any help with your bags?
No, I can manage.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love reading and cooking.
Are you going to the party tonight?
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
How's your day going so far?
It's been busy, but good.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, it was an exciting match.
What's your favorite kind of music?
I enjoy listening to jazz.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat and a dog.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in New York City.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to several countries in Europe.
What's the best way to learn English?
Practice speaking and listening every day.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. Do you have any plans?
I'm thinking of going to the beach.
That sounds like a great idea.
Do you have any recommendations for movies?
I recommend watching Inception.
What's the time now?
It's almost noon.
Can I get you anything to drink?
A glass of water would be perfect, thanks.
What's the best way to cook pasta?
Boil it in salted water until it's al dente.
Do you want to meet for coffee tomorrow?
Yes, what time works for you?
How do you like your coffee?
I like it black with no sugar.
Is there a good place to eat around here?
Yes, there's a great Italian place nearby.
How's the traffic today?
It's pretty light, thankfully.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love watching Friends.
Do you need any help with the decorations?
Yes, that would be great.
How long will the repair take?
It should be done by this afternoon.
Where did you buy that shirt?
I got it from a local boutique.
Have you seen my keys?
No, but have you checked the kitchen?
What time does your flight arrive?
It arrives at 6 p.m.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Try the one on Main Street, it's excellent.
How much does this cost?
It's $15.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Yes, I'm going to visit family.
How do you feel about the new policy?
I think it's a positive change.
Where is the nearest gas station?
It's a few blocks down on the right.
What's the best way to stay healthy?
Exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet.
Can we meet later today?
Sure, what time works for you?
Have you finished reading that book?
Yes, I just finished it this morning.
How did your presentation go?
It went well, thank you for asking.
What's the next step in the process?
We need to finalize the details.
Can you tell me about your weekend?
I spend it relaxing and catching up on sleep.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, that sounds nice.
What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
It's expected to be sunny and warm.
How do you spell that word?
It's spelled TRA.
Do you know where my book is?
It might be in the living room.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Mexican cuisine.
How was your trip to Paris?
It was amazing. The city is beautiful.
Where can I find the nearest restroom?
It's down the hall, on the left.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, here you go.
Do you know how to use this software?
Yes, I can show you how.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I really like autumn.
How do you feel about the new movie?
I thought it was fantastic.
Where did you get that jacket?
I bought it online.
Do you need any help with the project?
Yes, I could use some assistance.
What's the best way to learn new vocabulary?
Try using flashcards and reading regularly.
What time does the concert start?
It starts at 8 p.m.
Can I get a refund for this item?
You need to contact customer service for that.
What's the best restaurant in town?
The Italian place on Elm Street is excellent.
How do you stay motivated?
I set small, achievable goals.
Have you been to any good restaurants lately?
Yes, I tried a new sushi place last week.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy reading a good book.
Do you have any dietary restrictions?
No, I eat everything.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
What's the best way to make friends?
Join clubs or groups with similar interests.
How's the new job going?
It's going really well, thanks.
What's your go-to comfort food?
I love a big bowl of mac and cheese.
Can you recommend a good place to stay?
Try the hotel on Pine Avenue, it's great.
How's your new apartment?
It's cozy and well located.
What time do you finish work?
I usually finish around 5 p.m.
Do you have any upcoming plans?
I'm planning a trip to the mountains.
Where can I find a good gym?
There's a great one on Oak Street.
How's your day been so far?
It's been quite productive.
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Yes, I love Christmas.
What's the best way to study for exams?
Create a study schedule and stick to it.
Can I help you with anything else?
No, I think I'm all set for now.
How was the traffic on your way here?
It was light and smooth.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it's one of my favorite hobbies.
Thanks for watching. Click this for watch more interesting videos.